USA former President Donald J. Trump has been arrested and arraigned before Manhattan Criminal Court in New York, and this is the reason behind his arrest. Let's watch.
A president, a porn star, and a potentially illegal payment. All of that adds up to Donald Trump having to come to court. He's due to come here to the Manhattan Criminal Court, where he will be arrested, fingerprinted, and have his mugshot taken. And waiting for him, you can see, are journalists from all over the world. So let's go back a bit to where this story begins. There is an ex-porn star called Stormy Daniels, well, her real name is Stephanie Clifford. She says she met Donald Trump back in 2006 at a charity golf tournament and claims that they had sex in his hotel room in Lake Tahoe. Now, at the time, a lawyer for Donald Trump vehemently denied that allegation. Fast forward 10 years later, it's just before the 2016 presidential election, and that's when Stormy Daniels comes out and says Donald Trump's lawyer, Michael Cohen, had paid her $130,000 hush money to keep quiet about that affair.
Did you know about the $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels?
No.
Now, a payment like that would not be illegal. What's got Donald Trump in trouble now is how the payment was made. He's been accused of falsifying business records because it was recorded as being for legal fees. And because the money was handed over just shortly before the 2016 election, his critics have long argued it probably amounts to a campaign violation. That would be a much more serious offence. And don't forget, the lawyer who says he made the payment, Michael Cohen, he's already been to jail after pleading guilty to multiple violations of election law during that 2016 campaign. So let's bring the story right up to date, to this year, when the New York City District Attorney set up a grand jury to investigate whether there was enough evidence to prosecute Donald Trump. Last week, they voted to bring criminal charges. We don't know yet exactly what those charges are or how many of them there are. If he's convicted, could Donald Trump end up in prison? To be honest, a fine is a much more likely outcome, but he could face up to 4 years in jail. So would that stop him running for president? Absolutely not. There is nothing in the US Constitution that says even if he was in prison that he can't continue trying to get back into the White House. And in fact, Donald Trump and his campaign think that this whole farrago is probably really quite helpful.